I'm Debbie.
I'm Dennis.
And we're Gypsy Pear. And today we're going to try to catch you up on what's been going on and take you along for the rest of it. So hold on. This is our old fridge. Our rig is a 2004 Fleetwood Providence. And we've had this fridge the whole, 4 years now. And it works well part of the time. And
Sometimes it didn't.
Yeah. And we'd lose food and then it would freeze food. Just never knew what to do. Well, we went, we went to the store and
Well, one refrigerator, but unfortunately it wasn't in stock. So they had to order it. And we said, okay, we need the dimensions on it, They gave us a set of dimensions. I came back, measured it. Okay, it'll come through the door. Barely, but will. So they delivered it, and oops, it was wider than they said. Would not come through the door. Sent it back. So then we turned around, ran down to Lowe's the same day, and looked again, and we came up with this refrigerator.
hold on, we'll turn you around. Okay. And this is
The refrigerator. It is small enough. It did come through the door,
barely.
but not without some major renovation, so to speak.
Okay, let's show them what we had to do. Dennis is holding up the front of the box that had to be removed to get the refrigerator through the door. It came through the door, but it wouldn't come in. He had even removed that chair. So we'll take you further in just a second. And this, now, the old box just wasn't gonna work, and it's down in the dumpster, and we will have to reconstruct a modified box that'll probably be lower profile for the TV. So for now, the TV's on the dash, but stay tuned. We're going to take you through the removal of the refrigerator. This has started removing the stuff inside the freezer, and I think next will be the refrigerator. I don't think we're going to get it out in one piece, so a Sawzall may be involved. Stay tuned. I guess we're trying to figure out how to disconnect. Okay, door number 1 is gone. Bye. There.
This is door number 2.
Yay. Okay, here we go. Looks like it's coming out. Ready or not. Is there anything still to disconnect?
No.
Ooh, that's dirty.
Disconnected already.
Hey, Dennis and a neighbor have the fossil outside. Bye-bye, old fridge. Really? Are you unhappy about your stuff being all tore up? Isabel. The TV mount is still a work in progress, but there's been a little bit of a change. That's going to become a cabinet. And I wish we had videoed the love seat that was here. This is part of an entertainment center that we have dismantled, and we're using parts and pieces to put in a TV cabinet here, which is a better place straight across from the seating to have the TV. And I've got to put new curtains, so you have to not mind the towels hanging up there at the moment. Here is the remainder of the wood pieces from the cabinet we dismantled that we plan to use to do the little cabinet above the dash and complete the TV cabinet. Stay tuned.
Okay, this is an update on how and where we are with the mods that we have been doing. This is a new refrigerator, finally in. And as you can see, it's covered by magnets and all kinds of other weird things that we have no real place to stick for right now. But it works nicely for a magnet holder. The only thing left to be done to it is I have to do a little bit of trim work on the sides. And yeah, if you see right there at the top, that's a kid-proof lock. But we need that to keep the refrigerator from flying open when we're going down the highway. And if you look, you'll see one down on the bottom that does the same purpose. This is where the old TV was, and a big box that used to hang down a good 6 to 8 inches below where it sets at now. and stuck out a good 6 to 8 inches too. So a lot of times when you were coming up the door from the outside through the door with the TV hanging there, you had to duck or hit yourself in the head with the TV. Well, since we relocated the TV, and I'll show you that in a minute, we have put together a little box. Now it's just a little storage area for stuff that's small and out of the way. This was an old entertainment center we found in a thrift shop. We decided we would try to repurpose it. There was a small love seat setting there that when you sat and tried to watch TV, you had to look at an angle and sit catty corner or whatever to see the TV that was in the front of the rig. Again, it's not totally done yet. We need to get some plugs and stain and, you know, clean it up a little bit. It's a little bit dirty and rough, but that's all right. We had to relocate our heater vents, which I've got set on the side there. Again, I just got to finish the final little touch up and it'll all be done. Those are the 3 projects that we have started. Oh yeah, forgot. I did move the TV here and it's now set on, mounted there, so we can sit across the way in the recliners that we have set up and can watch TV without any problem whatsoever. Well, that's the updates of what's going on here. Deb will add this into her video shortly and you'll get to see it all. Thank you and enjoy.
Hey, just wanted to make a little note that yes, this video is a little disjointed and there's some boo-boos, but Dennis is participating and he's even talking in some of the videos, so yay. And y'all don't forget to like and subscribe and share our videos, and we hope you enjoy this one. Thanks for watching.